Find colleges for mechanical engineering courses. If you fancy moving objects like automobiles and motorcycles, then a course in mechanical engineering might interest you. Mechanical engineering is an engineering program that deals with the analysis, design, manufacturing, and maintenance of mechanical systems through application of principles from physics and materials science. Professionals in this field are involved with research, design, and development of tools, engines and machinery. Degrees in mechanical engineering are offered at universities in Bangladesh, China, India, Nepal, and North America, Spain, Portugal and most of South America, Italy, Canada, Malaysia, UK, London, and of course in the US. In the US, most mechanical engineering programs are accredited by the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, ABET, to ensure similar course requirements and standards among universities. This education is available at colleges and universities. Cooper Union's Albert Nurkin School of Engineering is considered the top in the country's undergraduate engineering program. The Cal Poly School of Engineering curriculum encourages its students to make use of projects and practice what they have learned in the classroom and be able to check if they're already well versed in the theory and application of their program. The Rose-Hulman Institute of Technology teaches skills which their students can use to solve engineering problems. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology infuses to their students that engineering continuously requires updated knowledge and applications of previously established concepts. Stanford University's engineering program is an extensive program of quality education that aims to improve the world through research concentrated on finding solutions. Stanford is often considered the vehicle for businesses around a school. Georgia Institute of Technology's engineering program provides a comprehensive program in the different fields of engineering that prepares and helps their students meet the needs of our ever-changing world. The Cornell University has a program they refer to as the Engineering Communications Program that helps their students develop their communication skills both in writing and verbally. They also point out in their program the important part engineering plays in our world. Bucknell University offers a program which establishes and encourages a connection between the students and their professional alumni who acts as mentors to the students. Petronas University of Technology / Universitai Teknologi Petronas, UTP, located in Malaysia offers 2 foundation programs, 5 bachelor engineering degree programs and 2 bachelor technology degree programs. The University of Manchester, located at Manchester, England, has a formidable reputation spanning most disciplines, but most notably in engineering. Red Deer College, located in Red Deer, Alberta, is one of Canada's most comprehensive institutes of higher learning. University of Strathclyde, located in Glasgow, Scotland, and was given the 8th place for its mechanical engineering program by Times 2008 and has a commitment to provide high-quality education. Wherever you may be, there is surely a good college where you can pursue a mechanical engineering course. You just have to browse and choose the best. Mechanical engineering plays an important role not only in our present world but also in the future. The modern world runs on machines, and as long as there are machines, the need for mechanical engineers will be plenty.